Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how do I find someone who changed their username on Snapchat. Sometimes someone need to change their username on their Snapchat account because of they might have some issues. So to find that person, just head over to your Snapchat, then go to your Bitmoji and see in your friends option if that person is still available. And if you can't find the specific person, let me show you a trick. Here, write Snapchat .com /add/ here you need to write the previous name of your friend that they have been using. Suppose I'm writing 1234 and just save it. Once you do it, just head over to this link and you will find several options who had this sort of username, and if someone matches with it, you might see that this is the one you have been searching for and you are good to go. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.